We recently received a unit of HONOR's latest flagship smartphone, the HONOR Magic4 Pro, so here's a quick first impression of it. Other than the HONOR Magic4 Pro, you will also find a SIM ejector pin, a clear TPU casing, a 100-watt charger and its cable in the box. The HONOR Magic4 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset and the Adreno 730 GPU with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. It uses the Magic UI 6 operating system based on Android 12. The phone has a 4600 mAh battery capacity with support for 100-watt HONOR Supercharge, both wired and wireless. The IP68 rated Magic4 Pro has a quad curved screen which can be a hit or miss depending on your own personal preference. It also has a 6.81-inch LTPO OLED display with an adaptive 120Hz refresh rate, 1000 nits peak brightness, which supposedly helps to save power and protect your eyes' health. We were very excited to take pictures with the HONOR Magic4 Pro and we were glad that it didn't disappoint. The phone comes with a quad camera setup consisting of a 50MP wide-angle camera with laser autofocus, 50MP ultra-wide camera, 64MP periscope telephoto camera with OIS 3.5x optical zoom, and a 3D time-of-flight camera for depth. On the front, you get a 12MP ultra-wide selfie camera and a 3D time-of-flight camera for biometrics. The pictures came out sharp and the colors were vibrant. The general experience was smooth, but it will get a little laggy as you take continuous shots in a short span of time. As for the zoom capabilities of the phone, I've taken a series of shots with various magnifications to show how much detail can be captured with the periscope telephoto lens. As I continue zooming in, the quality of the pictures deteriorate and the phone compensates for this by softening the pictures a little too much. Though, it's worth noting that the pictures still look great up to 10x zoom, which to me is pretty damn impressive. The bokeh feature that comes paired with the portrait mode was also pretty great. It could focus on the subject quickly and efficiently, making it relatively easy to take good shots. The HONOR Magic4 Pro has an IMAX enhanced technology which allows you to change the look and mood of the videos you capture by changing the LUT, which comes in a variety of different options. This results in really aesthetic and cinematic videos, perfect for when you want to produce a video without putting in too much time and effort. The HONOR Magic4 Pro will be retailing at 4,999 Malaysian Ringgit. And while this is all I have to share currently, but do stay tuned to Pokde.net for an in-depth review of the phone that's coming soon, done by our latest and cutest addition of the team, Charlotte, also known as Auntie Bawang, whom you have probably already seen in our previous videos. My name is Vanessa and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!